Why do some women hate women? So I recently came across this video by this content creator who goes by the name of Nautanki Baz, and she was criticizing another fellow female fashion creator just because this Nautanki Baz lady did not conform to the way the other fashion creator was making her video. I think she forgot about the existence of one word which is basically pronounced as choice. Her comment section was filled with two types of people. Category number one, girls, and a few men who were trying to educate this Nautanki Baz lady on not being a pick-me. The second category of people in her comment section were, of course, majorly men who were supporting her. But what surprised me was there were a lot of women who were apparently supporting her. And this made me question one thing. Why do women who hate women exist? So of course I went on the internet to research about it. Psychologist Seth Meyers in one of his articles says, I can confidently report that the women I've worked with report more critical views with other women than the men do with their own male peers. As per Psychology Today, women may be more sensitive than men to social exclusion. And when they feel threatened by the prospect of being left out, a woman's first response may be to socially exclude a third party. In this case, when women are threatened by other women who own their lifestyle, own their way of clothing, they feel terrified that they'll be left out in the social circle. So what's their first response? Bullying those women and fighting for male validation. The research also says that female criticism actually stems from feeling inadequate in an area of life they value highly. For example, a woman who does not like her own appearance is more likely to criticize other women for their appearance. We all know women who say things like, oh, she's only pretty because she's wearing too much makeup, or she's only getting attention because wearing those kind of clothes. Yup, that's internalized misogyny and fighting for male validation. What women, in this case the Nautanki Baz creator, do not understand is the fact that the same men who are supporting her for bashing another woman would not leave a minute to slut shame her if she decides to dress up like that. And from her own videos, we can confidently see that she's no saint. Somebody in her comment section wrote, someone's morality is someone else's obscenity. So there's no point being a moral police when none of us are saints here. Bottom line, women who are hypercritical of other women need to realize that in general they'll move up in society only when they support each other and not mindlessly criticize each other.